So, Moderna just dropped its 2025 earnings, and it really looks like the company is at a major turning point.
After that blockbuster vaccine, what's the next move? That's the huge question facing their leadership right now.
So, we're going to break down the 2025 numbers and get into their game plan for the next few years.
First up, let's look at the financials. 2025 was a massive year of transition for them. Their total revenue for the year came in at $1.9 billion, driven by COVID vaccine sales.
But they posted a net loss of $2.8 billion.
Why? Well, they're investing heavily in their pipeline. Here's the key, though. They ended the year with a whopping $8.1 billion in cash. A huge part of the story was cost discipline. They actually cut operating expenses by 30%. Their CFO, Jamie Mock, put it plainly, calling 2025 a key turning point in their financial story. Now let's hear from the CEO, Stéphane Bancel. His comment showed a real mix of pride and frustration. First, he thanked the whole team for what he called a great accomplishment in cutting costs. But he also voiced his frustration with the FDA, saying the uncertainty there creates real challenges for business. So, what's the game plan for 2026? Simple. It's all about getting back to growth. They're actually projecting revenue to grow by up to 10% this year. And a big part of this is a strategic shift to balance their revenue more evenly between the US and internationally. How are they going to do it? By selling products made locally in new facilities in the UK and Australia. And they're going to stay disciplined on spending, keeping R&D and admin costs pretty much flat. This plan should leave them with a really strong cash position of around $5.5 to $6 billion. So looking even further out, what's next? It really all comes down to their pipeline. The really big bet is their personalized cancer vaccine, with 3 late-stage studies now fully enrolled. And they're not stopping there. They're also pushing hard on new vaccines for flu, norovirus, and a flu-COVID combo. So the takeaway is clear. They're managing their finances carefully while making these huge bets on the future. The big question is, will these high-stakes bets on cancer and other vaccines pay off and define their next chapter?